Pedro here, Product Marketing Manager at GetResponse, and I'm here to present our newest tool, the AI Email Generator. This will basically generate a whole email for you, including images and text, and it will save you a lot of time just by doing that, and also allow you to brainstorm later. So let's get started, and let's click on Email Marketing, Create Newsletter, use an AI email creator, and this is where we tell the AI what we want. So in our case, we will do a 30-day fitness challenge. Our business is in the fitness industry. And then you will notice that we have more settings over here. So this will allow the AI to be more specific. Who is this email for? So people looking to get in shape. And what kind of email is it? So you can select the type here. As you can see, there is also custom type, which allows you to write your own email type. But we will do an announcement. So we will announce our challenge. Let's click next. And here is where we select the tone of the email, so how it is written. So we want to be inspirational to actually announce our challenge. Let's go next. And here is where you pick your favorite layout and also the color scheme of your email. So we will just go with some pastel and one color and click generate. That's all you have to do. Alright, so it is as easy as that. We have an email here. It really decreases the time that takes you to create an email. And also, if you go through the copy, you will see that it's very specific. It really follows your prompt. And of course, everybody has their own scenario. And you will have to go to this copy and alter it a little so that it matches your needs, of course. But definitely, this will speed up the process of creating and sending an email, because you will use this copy as a way to get inspired. Also, if you feel blocked, this is the way to get unblocked as well, very quick. And now that you have that, with an image included, what you need is people to open your email. And to do that, you simply click next, and you will see that a subject line was already generated for you without you having to do anything else. And if you are not happy with it, you simply go to the AI subject line generator. You write here just exactly the same thing, right? Fitness challenge. And here, let's add the fitness industry again. Over here, we can include an emoji, generate. Alright, and now we have 5 subject lines here. So by using one of them or many, you can run some A/B tests, and you will then understand which one resonates better with your audience. And this will lead you to achieve better open rates. In general, better email performance. So now let's just pick one, and there you go. You have an email ready to send with subject lines generated for you. As you can imagine, this takes much less time than it used to with the help of AI. So we plan to allow AI to help you. Now you have all the tools that you need to send your emails much faster and focus on the strategic part of your business. So if you're not a client of GetResponse yet, make sure that you create a free account, and I will see you very soon.